The next thing we'll be covering is configuring the permissions in source control repo. Managing access and security through permissions is critical in a DevOps environment to ensure that team members have appropriate access for their roles. Configuring repository-level permissions. Wide Access Project. In Azure DevOps, navigate to your project and go to the Repos section. 2. Repository Settings. Select your repository and click on the Settings tab, then Repositories in the submenu. 3. Modify Security. Choose the repository you want to adjust and click on the Security tab on the right. 4. Manage Access. Add users or groups to the predefined security groups or create new ones. 5. Set permissions. Use the Add button to grant the appropriate permissions like read, contribute, and administer to selected users or groups. Branch-level permissions configuration. Widen repository access. Open your repository in Azure DevOps. 2. Branches. Go to the Branches tab and choose the branch you need to configure. 3. Security settings. Click on Security to manage permissions for that branch. 4. Define permissions. Assign permissions to groups or users, overriding repository-level permissions if necessary. Configuring file-level permissions. Locate file. Within the repository, navigate to the specific file you want to manage. 2. File permissions. Click the three-dot icon next to the file and choose Manage Permissions. 3. Control access. Add groups or users and set the desired access levels just as you would at the repository or branch level. So that's an overview of configuring the permissions in source control repo.